ug ako ang inyong Amegang Ana Banana. And welcome to another video. Stay tuned!
Here's what we need. 15 pieces of crushed cremos, 300 grams of whipped cream, 250 grams of all-purpose cream, 380 grams of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of Nescafe Classic, half a cup of dark chocolate chips, 2.5 pack of Graham's crackers. The filling. In a mixing bowl, pour your whipped cream. Then, add your all-purpose cream. Next, pour your condensed milk. Follow with 1 teaspoon of coffee. Last but not the least, to complete your filling, add in your 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Also, sprinkle a pinch of salt. Mix all ingredients until well combined. Mix and mix until you get this consistency. Divide the mocha cream mixture into 3 parts. How to assemble your icebox. First, you have to arrange your Graham crackers in your container. Lay the crackers flat and even until you cover the whole bottom of the pan. Use a knife or your clean fingers to cut and trim off excess crackers if needed. Pour 1 part of the mocha cream mixture on top of the crackers and spread evenly. Scatter 1/3 part of the crushed Oreo cookies and dark chocolate chips on top of the cream. Place another layer of graham crackers. Fill in the empty gaps with mocha cream or the crackers. Pour the second part of the mocha cream and spread evenly. Then scatter the second batch of your crushed cremos and dark chocolate chips. Repeat the process for the last layer. Drizzle with a chocolate syrup on top. Scatter some crushed grahams, but this is optional. Drizzle some more chocolate syrup after the crushed grahams. Cover with plastic wraps and chill overnight. taste test time.
What can you say? So, yung masulti, what can you say? Ha?
Mark Queen.
Si Mark Queen.
Mark Queen pa.
What can you say? Nilarag batasan.
Wala ko masabi.
Pag-sure ba?
Must try. Must try. Subscribe for more.
Isbuga may siya. Lami, Dan?
Yes.
Sure? How many stars?
1 million.
Wow! If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click subscribe. Click the notification bell so you won't miss any video that I upload. Like and share this with your friends. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!